All right, we are going to represent linear systems with matrix equations. Okay, the following system of equations is represented by the matrix equation here. And then represent, that's what they want. Represent what? The row and column in the order in which the variables and the equations appear. So all we're doing is we're pretty much translating the equations they gave us, and they're putting it in this form right here, where we got matrix is the equation A, and then we're putting it in terms of X, Y, and Z, and that would just be going, so it's kind of like you're multiplying it out. So it's going to be your X's here, then your Y's, that's supposed to be an S, and then your Z's, and then here are your numbers at the end. All right, so basically that's what's happening here, is that if we had this matrix and we multiplied it by this matrix, that the X, Y's, and Z's would distribute through it in this type of format. And then we have the final matrix as kind of like a vector style of just the constants that are kind of floating out here. So it's not too bad. You just got to be careful. Like if you notice this one, X, Y, and Z, they're shuffled a little bit. So always you have to kind of reorder it here and just give yourself some placeholders. That'll make it a lot easier. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to have 6x plus 5y plus 0z's equals 22. And then 0x's minus 10y's plus 22z's equals 24. And finally, 4x's plus 0y's minus 6z's equals -4. All right. So, and then we just put these down in exactly what the coefficients are in the rows and columns in the same way. So we've done kind of the work here of the ordering, and then we just go ahead and fill them in. Not too bad. So that's going to be a 6, 5, 0, 22, 0, -10, 22, 4, 4, 0, -6. And lastly, -4. Everything looks good. Shouldn't have any issues. Good. No problems here. All right, so it's just formatting it or ordering it and then putting it in the order here. So luckily we got some easy ones, I hope. I think they're easy along with me. And this one is in order. Everything's exactly the same. So good. Shouldn't have any issue with this.